Now that you're looking for a new roof for your home, undoubtedly you've heard every claim from every company concerning their roofs, including ours here at the Billy Ellis Company. We made a very strong claim that our method of installing aluminum roofing is far superior to anyone else's, including Alcoa's. Now we're about to prove that beyond a shadow of a doubt. In our warehouse, our builders have made up 2 mock roofs installed over plexiglass instead of roofing felt for demonstration purposes. One of the roofs has been made to technically exact Alcoa specifications. Following this Alcoa installation manual to a T, we carried out even the minutest of details. In essence, this is an ideal Alcoa roof. The other roof has the Billy Ellis designs. Notice the mitered valley, which assures water tightness, and the special gable trim, which carries water off the top of the roof instead of from underneath. While the 2 roofs may look alike, there is no comparison. It's important to know that roofing felt is used between your new aluminum roof and your old roof. If this gets wet, your old roof will get wet and eventually rot. So what we have to avoid at all costs is getting any water underneath the new roof. For our first demonstration using the Alcoa engineered roof, we'll pour this bottle of water down the valley. Look how the water is coming out from underneath the roof. Now let's see where all this water came from. For the sake of demonstration, we've colored some water so that you might be able to see its path from underneath. Here's a cup of water. Watch what happens. Let's look at that again in slow motion. Now let's focus on another angle, a nailing strip which you will find on every shingle. Notice that instead of water being channeled over the top of the roof, it is being rerouted by this nailing strip to the nearest avenue of escape, the roof underneath. Remember, this is happening on every single shingle. Let's take another look at that in slow motion. Before we let the Alcoa designed roof off the hook, let's glance over at their newly designed gable trim. With our colored water and at slow motion, you can tell that it offers little resistance to the flow of water underneath the roof. Now let's give the Billy Ellis roof the test. We state categorically that our system is completely waterproof. As proof, we're going to make the same tests with colored water. First, let's empty this cup of water down the valley. Notice how all the water escapes off the top of the roof. Now let's look at that again, this time from underneath. Not a drop of water anywhere. Now, let's make the test with a bucket of water. Watch what happens. Now let's check this from underneath. Remember, our roof is designed to channel water off the top. Watch this test on our gable trim. Let's look at that from underneath. How about a bucket test? Here goes. And now from underneath. There it is, the Billy Ellis system. It is the finest method of aluminum roof insulation available, emphasizing not only great looks, but that it's completely waterproof. If you're about to purchase a new aluminum roof, can you afford not to use the Billy Ellis system?